morning. We've started this job. We should have done a bit of filming a bit earlier to show you the start, but we were so keen and excited that we just cracked on and forgot to film. But we'll show you where we've got so far. Originally, this front door was here, so we've taken that out. We're going to have to temporarily put it in here because we've got a bit of a wait for the new composite door to come. And that's going to go there, which then will allow us to break through here, which we've already done. New lintel in up there, and then this area here is in the garage. It's going to get turned into a utility room, just a small utility room here. So we've put in a 4x2 stud wall across here. This side's going to get boarded with OSB. This side will be all plasterboard, and this will be a fire door going into the garage. Then on the floor, quite often we do a timber floor in these garage conversions. This floor here is only about 60 mil lower here, so we haven't really got the depth to do that and put the insulation in. So we're going to just screed this floor. So we've put our double timber here as an upstand, so we've got something to work to. We're just putting in the thin DPM down, and we're going to screed this little area here, and then we should all be ready for Mikey to come tomorrow, get some of his electrics and plumbing sorted, so we can get it all ready to plasterboard and move it on that way. So we'll get started getting this screeded and show you how it's looking at the end. So we've got all our screed down, as you can see. It's all lovely there.
Yeah.
We are obviously on the next day, and the Sparkies are in.
Sparkies are in now. It's Jack Lobb.
The most famous member of the Green Hawk family is here today.
This is me. Causing carnage, powers off, you know.
And yeah, so it's a little bit messy in here, but you know, we're working through it.
Yeah, this mess is all Mike's.
All Mike's. Even Sean's tools here, my stuff.
Yeah, Mike borrowed them.
Sorry.
Someone's
got to take the rap.
So Mike's sorting out the electrics. I haven't got a clue what he's doing. He's just
Nor do I.
Throwing things around, making a mess. We've got these 2x2s on the wall here because we're trying to get over some of all this pipe work. We ain't going to get over everything, but that's the fun of these garages. And then I've put this fire frame in basically for the fire door. So we've got a fire break into the garage, and started putting this door lining in here. So we've got the door in here. And Mike's ruined the ceiling, so we're going to have to sort that out.
I'd like to say, yes, it was me. Well, it wasn't actually me. I delegated to Jack. But it needed to happen, girls and boys, and then we've come up with another plan of battening the ceiling, so potentially we might not have needed to do it. But it's not the point, it's good practice. There you go, I'm out. That's it.
And it's good practice for Jack as well, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah, job creation, that's what we're
talking. Always giving them something to do.
So we got, what else have we done? We got the front door back on. At the end of the day yesterday, we were in a little bit of a mad rush where we didn't film. So that's in.
Temporary.
Just a bit of a filler over the top just to make it secure until the new front door arrives, which is about 6 weeks time apparently. And then today we're going to get this self-levelled in here, try and get these doors on, do whatever we can while we're waiting for Mike to do all his electrics and plumbing.
Let's see what Mike's up to then. If you can explain a little bit what he's up to. So what are you doing?
What am I doing? Well, this lovely job, the tiler has tiled in the consumer unit, so that's great.
Has he?
Yes, he has. So I can't get the board cover off, so that's the end of that one. So I don't really want to mess too much around with the original house, so I'm putting a separate little consumer unit on here, going to split the tails coming in. So I'm just getting on with first fix basically. So we've got a couple of sockets, on this side, we've got a sink in this corner, and then on this return wall, which is behind you, There's a fridge freezer going in there, so and a radiator that's going to go on that stud wall as well. So yeah, down lights, 2 down lights, and a centre light for the garage,
which will be going.
Which is going to be up
there.
there. And that's me. 10 minutes work, in and out, and I'm done.
Okay, it's the end of the day again. We've managed to get these. It's probably a bit dark in here, but we've got the fire door hung. Won't close because we've got a lead running out to the fridge, but can't show you that. We've got the other door done. This wall's been boarded, a bit of OSB board, and we've got 75mm insulation board in here, all filled in. Keep it a bit warmer in here. Ceiling's been battened out, ready for boarding. So we're just trying to get it all really today, so we're all ready to get plasterboard in the next time we're here. I think Mike's pretty much done everything. He's got all his cables in, pipes in, so I think he's happy enough with all that.
I think that's Mod's plan if anyone can make that out. As long as he knows what he's doing.
And then the last job today is we've just SBR'd this, ready for a little bit of self-leveler to go down on here, just so we can merge the floors together. We'll do that, last job of the day, and hopefully nobody steps in it. And then we'll be back, hopefully to crack on board in then. Good morning, we're back at this garage conversion. We've been a little bit rubbish and not been filming. It's been a bit chaotic the last few days. But I can't even remember the last bit we were up to, but I think we had the doors in and everything. We've managed to get it all boarded out now and plastered. So it's a little bit small in here, so to see, there's Mikey starting out his radiator.
Morning.
And yesterday I managed to get these boxed in as well, so trying to keep it all nice and neat. It's a little bit tricky with some of that, but make it all neat and accessible. So today I need to fit this the kitchen little run in here, and so we've got 1 unit, 1000 unit going in there, worktop with a sink, and then washing machine, dishwasher, not dishwasher, washing machine, tumble dryer, and fridge going in over this side. So we can get all the unit in and the worktop and everything. We're just waiting for the flooring to come in, the vinyl flooring, so we're going to get that down first before we put all the appliances in. That will show you when I get that unit and worktop on. Okay, we're at the end of the day. We've got everything that we can finished, of course. So this is obviously the first bit, the wall. Got the fire door. Hello. And so here we've got the worktop on now, sink in, unit in there, all plumbed in, swanky new tap. Like I showed you earlier, we got the 2 service cupboards in there. There will be an upstand going in here, we're just waiting for that to come in, so for now I've just sealed it all up. We've got a couple of weeks waiting on that, and we'll get that a little bit fit right there. The only other thing as well is the floor, just waiting for that to come in as well. Seems like that's a way of saying at the minute.
Waiting for everything.
And then once the floor's down, there's new washing machine and tumble dryer going in under there. And we're just going to move the fridge, or freezer is it, into this spot here. And then that'll be all done there.
It's that big thing there, go in there.
And then this little area right here has all been finished, and we're just again waiting for the new front door, which is taking a while. But we've managed to get it all finished, and then new door going to into this area there. Get that finished off. So that's us for now. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.